Hello everyone, welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Today, we're excited to share 10 incredible kitchen gadgets that will simplify your cooking and save you time and effort. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who prefers quick meal prep, don't forget to check the links in the description box to grab these deals. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more innovative gadget reviews. Let's dive in. Momos Maker. Crafting perfectly shaped momos can be challenging, but with this Momos Maker, the process becomes effortless. Simply place the dough and filling into the mold, press and voila, uniform momos are ready in seconds. This tool speeds up preparation and ensures consistency in size and shape, enhancing your presentation. Priced at just 253 rupees, it's an affordable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Waffle Maker. Enjoy cafe-style waffles at home with this compact waffle maker. Pour in your batter, close the lid, and in minutes, you'll have golden, crispy waffles ready to be topped with your favorites. Its non-stick plates ensure easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Whether for breakfast or dessert, this gadget brings versatility to your kitchen. Electric Spice Grinder. Elevate your dishes with freshly ground spices using this electric spice grinder. Equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, it efficiently grinds spices, coffee beans, and even nuts to your desired consistency. Its compact design ensures it doesn't take up much counter space, making it a practical choice for every kitchen. Multi-use vegetable chopper. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with this multi-use vegetable chopper. Featuring multiple attachments, it allows you to slice, dice, shred, and even beat eggs with ease. The built-in container collects the chopped items, minimizing mess and speeding up your prep time. It's a multifunctional tool that streamlines your cooking process. Magnetic Plastic Wrap Dispenser. Keep your kitchen organized with this magnetic plastic wrap dispenser. Designed to hold plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, it features built-in cutters for precise dispensing. Its magnetic base allows you to attach it to metal surfaces like your fridge, ensuring your wraps are always within reach. Yogurt Maker. Enjoy homemade yogurt with this easy-to-use yogurt maker. Simply add milk and your choice of starter culture, set the timer, and let the machine do the rest. In a few hours, you'll have creamy, delicious yogurt without any additives. It's a healthier and cost-effective alternative to store-bought options. Stainless steel Medu Vada Maker. Making Medu Vadas or donuts at home has never been easier. This stainless steel Medu Vada Maker gives you perfectly shaped and crispy Vadas every time. Just fill the container with batter and press. Uniform Vadas are ready to fry. Great for traditional breakfast or evening snacks. Manual Cheese Mill Grinder. This manual cheese grater and shredder is a kitchen multitasker. It comes with two changeable blades and is perfect for grating cheese, vegetables, or chocolate. The compact hand-powered design gives you full control. No electricity needed. Egg cutter with 3-in-1 slicer. Slice hard-boiled eggs, strawberries, or soft veggies perfectly with this 3-in-1 stainless steel wire slicer. It's compact, easy to use, and adds a professional touch to your plating. Great for salads, sandwiches, and party platters. Dish cloths. Keep your kitchen spotless with these high-quality dishcloths. Made from absorbent materials, they're perfect for drying dishes, wiping counters, or cleaning spills. Durable and reusable, they're an eco-friendly alternative to paper towels. All the links to purchase these gadgets are provided in the description box below. Make sure to check them out. That's all for today's video. If you found these gadgets intriguing, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Let us know in the comments which gadget you liked the most. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.